Ever wondered why your garage door sensors suddenly lose power, leaving you stranded? This common issue can be more than just an inconvenience. A tripped circuit breaker or blown fuse is often the culprit, cutting off the power supply to your sensors. Loose or damaged wiring can also disrupt the connection, especially in older systems or after power surges. Sometimes, the power outlet itself might be faulty, failing to deliver the necessary power to your sensors. Misaligned sensors can mimic power loss, causing your garage door to malfunction. Dust and debris buildup can block the infrared beam, making the sensors ineffective. A malfunctioning garage door opener can also be the root cause, failing to power the sensors properly. To fix these issues, start by resetting the power source and inspecting the wiring for any visible damage. Adjust the sensors to ensure they are perfectly aligned and check the garage door opener for any internal issues. Prevent future problems with regular maintenance, annual wiring checks, and professional inspections. Keep your garage door operating smoothly and safely.